Example 1. The angle of elevation of the top of a building at a distance of 50 meters from its base at a horizontal plane is found to be 60 degrees. Find the height of the building. So because it says find the height of the building, okay, that means we are looking for, if this is angle C, we are looking for here, which is small c. Okay. Down here it says solution. It says first understand what it is you are looking for. The question is asking for the height of the building, so we are looking for side C. Okay, so side C, that's why I called this little c. So let's start labeling this triangle. We know that if this is the angle we were giving, opposite that angle is called the opposite side. This is the right angle, so if we look across from that, that is the longest side in the triangle, so that is called the hypotenuse. And that means that this side that's left over is called the adjacent. So, in order to figure out which one we are using, I always like to circle what we were given. So we were given the adjacent, because it's 50 meters. And then it tells us that we are looking for the height, so that means we are looking for the opposite. So when we think of SOHCAHTOA, because it is opposite and adjacent, that means we are looking for tan. So let's start doing this. So tan equals opposite over adjacent. And I'll put the little angle sign in there. So tan, the angle that we are given is 60. So tan 60 equals the opposite, which is right here. We don't know, so we're just going to call that C. And then the adjacent is right here, and that is 50. So we're going to put down a 50. So our next step here is to cross multiply. Since there is nothing underneath the tan 60, we can assume that there's a 1. And now we are going to cross multiply. So C times 1 gives you C. And then we're going to do 50 times tan 60. So it looks like this. 50 times tan 60. Now if you have a forwards calculator, just equals forwards calculator, you're going to do 50 times and then write tan 60 and you'll get an answer. If you have a backwards calculator, you'll start here, put the 60 and then hit tan and then multiply it by 50. And the answer you will get will be 86.6. And since they are dealing with meters, we are going to write meters. Because this is a word problem, you have to have a therefore statement. So at the end, you are going to come up with your therefore. I'm just trying to have it come up right now. My computer's going slow. And here we go. Therefore, the building is approximately 8.6 meters tall. The end.